Steven's up to something really cool.
Let's see if it works.
Okay, here we go.
Yay! That was
Okay,
super
let's
easy.
check out the app and see.
Who's at
Someone is at your front door.
Oh my, who could it be?
It's Steve.
Look at that!
That's
That's us! That's freaking
Yay.
awesome. Okay, hey, look at this. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. I can actually answer it.
Who's there?
Hello?
You don't even have to open your door. That's
it's like
so
a
cool.
phone call. Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
That's so cool.
I'm so happy right now.
He's just scared.
I can tell I scare someone. I can be like, who is it? Leave it on the doorstep and get the heck out of here.
Oh my gosh.
What's up, beautiful people?
Hey, guys.
It is a glorious day outside today, and I am being Mr. Handyman, trying to install this doorbell. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Ring for sponsoring this video. It's gonna be a really good day. A lot of exciting stuff happening.
It is. So the kids just finished school and they are just playing outside for a little bit while we wait to go get Lincoln from school.
And Kira from work.
And Kira from work, because she's really enjoying her new job. And so we're actually waiting on a really important package that is going to be delivered any minute now.
Yes.
You guys know we've been waiting on Liam's growth hormone shots, and that's been kind of going through insurance and all of that. And then they said it's going to be delivered this afternoon. So we're really excited.
The wait is over, guys.
Finally over, but we've actually had some issues with packages disappearing off of our front porch, like multiple times at this point. And so we've been trying to look for a solution for that, because that makes us really nervous, especially for really important packages like his growth hormone shots.
Seriously.
So
yeah, we live on a very busy street, sort of downtown. And so with that comes a lot of foot traffic, a lot of traffic, and we just needed some kind of solution to help us have a peace of mind, a little added protection. And so we finally jumped in and did the Ring doorbell thing, which I'm so excited. All of our friends, I feel like, have a Ring doorbell. My mom has a Ring doorbell, and my mom sends me like a Ring doorbell video like every other day of something that she caught in front of her house. And it's so fun. We love to like watch all those cute little stories on YouTube and stuff like that of people, what they've caught on their Ring doorbell.
like the nice delivery people.
Yeah.
There's some cute videos out there.
We've wanted to do a Ring doorbell for so long, but I feel like, man, I was kind of actually like worried, because I'm not like Mr. Handyman. Don't let the drill fool you. But like,
You're great.
I'm really not. And so I was like worried. I was like, oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? Am I gonna like do this like install and it's not gonna work? But like I just did this thing in like 4 minutes.
Easy,
It was so awesome. So that's gone. I've got that going on, and now we've got this sweet little app that we can check our doorbell if I'm like doing some work, or we're like hanging out somewhere and we get something someone coming to the door. Like we don't have to like wonder, should we go answer it or whatever. If it's one of those let it go to voicemail kind of things, we can just let them leave it on the front porch, and so it's just really, really convenient, and it gives us a lot of peace of mind. And so today, whenever we go get Lincoln from school and Kira from work, if that package arrives while we're gone, we don't have anything to worry about. So I'm
which is
really
my
pumped
big
about
concern too, is like when we're not here and packages are being delivered, you know, because I mean, we have tons of kids, so like if we're home, they'll run, get the door real quickly and stuff, but we're gone a lot. So this is a really great solution for that.
Yeah, it's awesome. So if you want a little added protection on your house, if you want that extra peace of mind, you can go to ring.com/MillerFam, and there's a special offer for you today to start making your home safer right now.
Oh, come here, kitty kitty. She's running away. Sable, come back. Oh. Sable's running away from us.
Too shy.
She's too shy. She's our grumpy cat. We love our grumpy cat, don't we?
Yeah.
Sable, let us pet you. Say hi.
She's got like bone.
A bone?
Neck.
Yep,
Right
kitties have a
here.
bone right there.
Like, there's like 2 bumps next to each other.
Uh-huh. Those are kind of like her shoulder blade bones, I think. Hi. Oh, you're letting us pet you. She's the one that usually likes to run away and hide, huh?
Yeah.
We call you our grumpy cat, but you really are sweet when you let us touch you and pet you, huh? Oh, that's so sweet, Ethan. Yeah, you guys don't see a whole lot of Sable on here because she's just a little bit more shy, but she is a nice kitty, aren't you, Sable? You are. Good thing you don't have allergies like Daddy, huh? He's really allergic to the kitties. He can't rub his face on them like that, or he will start sneezing a ton. Penelope's like just rocking in the rocking chair. Looks like she's gonna take a nap. Are you napping? I know. There's like a gentle breeze. It's warm, but not too warm. The boys are just running around playing with enormous branches. Wow, Jude, that's like an entire tree right there.
Yep.
Look at our growing boy. Good grief. Wow, you are very strong.
Yeah.
Look at how big that is. Isn't that funny?
Yeah, we got a new tree.
We're just gonna plant some more trees here in the backyard.
Plant it in the ground and then it's placed.
Yeah.
You think we should plant a tree right here?
Hold on, dude.
Yeah.
Let go.
We might need to ask the owners.
I guess it'll be.
It's so funny.
I got another tree.
This could be like, and another one. We're gonna just build ourselves a little forest back here.
We do another one.
Some of these branches fell off of these enormous trees.
Build a tree
Yeah, a tree fort. That's a good idea.
a tree house.
Yeah, back when it was really icy a few weeks ago, some of these branches just completely snapped and fell down, and so we've got a bunch of them. We've just been chopping them up for firewood, but there's a lot. I didn't realize there were like this big of ones though. I thought they were a little bit smaller. Wow. Yeah, that's a big old one right there.
Yeah, that's bigger than mine.
You guys don't need to go to the gym. You could just lift weights by like carrying tree branches
Yep.
around.
This was really heavy.
That one's bigger than mine.
Yeah, that's a really big one.
It's almost as tall as me.
Goodness. Do you guys want to go get Lincoln from school now?
Sure.
Do you want to go with us?
Can we bring the tree?
You want? I don't know if that's gonna fit. Like when we tied our Christmas tree to the
Yeah, we could do
roof of the
that.
van. That was pretty interesting.
Yeah. Oh, this is bigger than that. It's just.
Wow, guys.
I want to go over and then let her make it. That would be so fun.
Oh, that's a good idea. We can go
We
walk
can ask
into
her
her.
for that. Say, hey, before you're done your job, can you just like make one drink for me? Because
Yeah.
probably you.
Yeah, she's really good at making those drinks and very proud of it. So that'd be fun.
That'd be fun. So just do it.
Okay, let's do it. That was a big rush. Yay, Lincoln. You have a good day.
That was cool,
Say
buddy.
bye-bye. Bye. Oh. Thank you so much.
Did you have so much fun today, bud?
Say hi. We missed you. He's so happy. You want your book? See, that's my favorite book. That's some sounds and all sorts of stuff. Okay, let's go get Kira. Is it good?
Oh wow.
That's good, huh?
Good, huh? You want to try?
Kira makes a good drink. Ooh, that is good.
I know,
Really
right?
good. Okay, so we just picked Kira up from her job and got a notification that the package arrived for Liam.
is here.
So we're gonna go home and pick it up. I'm so excited.
Let's
Liam,
do this thing.
are you excited, buddy?
Yes.
This is so cool. We've been waiting a while for this, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Me and Lincoln can't wait to watch.
You're gonna watch? Yeah. He's brave. Liam is really brave. Liam gives the shots to himself, and so I'm really proud of this kid. He's super, super brave, and I'm so glad that we can get started on this again and really help him to continue growing. So we're gonna go home and pick up that package.
Let's
Woohoo!
do this thing.
Whoa, that's a big box. Is it heavy?
No.
You remember last time they sent us stuff, it had like a whole bunch of other like gifts and things in it too, like a cool backpack and stuff. So we got to see what's in there. That's cool. Here we go. Good to be home.
You ready? You shut the
Thank you, Linky.
Good
Good
helper.
job. You are a good helper, huh?
Got your stuff,
Yeah.
bro?
Got the giant
Heck
box.
The
yeah.
big old box of stuff.
It's like a lot of kids in here.
Guys, there's like a bunch of kids in here. Look at that. So Lincoln's watching our channel in the background and Liam is ready to open his box. Are you excited, Liam?
Yes.
You want to do the
See
honors?
what's in here. I think there's quite a bit of stuff in here.
I think we got some serious. What do we got?
Ooh.
I think that's ice.
Yeah, actually,
this
this
guy?
does need to stay refrigerated, so.
Oh, it's like taped to each other. Okay, here we go. We got all the goods.
Watch there be like another box inside this box. There's like 5 boxes.
It's like boxception. It's a box within a box within a box. There we go. And let's see what's over here. Because this may need, I don't know. I think that's probably. Oh, I bet you this is your receptacle for your needles.
Yeah, there's a special place to throw away the needles. What is it?
There's a box.
I was like, what's that look?
All right, you pull that box down. I'll pull this one. Rock
Yeah,
and roll.
because that stays.
Look at that.
That keeps it cold.
Yeah. Oh,
There we
yeah.
go.
This is like so much wrapping.
Cool.
Dude. You excited about it like we are, Lincoln?
Lincoln's.
Yeah. Dude, there we go. We got your pins here. And I think we're good to go. So this will be how we dispose of the goods afterwards.
Yeah, we gotta be really careful about that because that little one will try to get into it.
Yeah.
So when we lived back in Dallas, when Liam was about 8 or 9 is when he first started growth hormone shots. And it was really cool because he decided to start administering the shots himself. And so they were training him on how to do that. Some kids feel more comfortable with their parents doing it, and some kids like to do it themselves. And so Liam's one of those kids. We're really proud of him. He's super, super brave. And so this is just really cool because it really is supposed to help him to continue growing and grow at a quicker rate. So this is really, really good for him. So we're really excited to finally have gone through all that insurance, red tape, and all of that stuff, and we're ready to start again. So you ready to do this?
Let's do it.
Okay.
So you got your swab right here that you can clean the surface first. So you get the shots. There you go.
So can you guys see this? That's the needle. It's pretty small, right? Not
But it
terrible.
packs a punch.
Packs a punch. A good punch, in the best of ways.
0.4. Okay. Just 0.4 for now. We're easing you
Yeah,
back.
they said ease into it, and then you can do it in your arm or your leg. And there's, I think you're supposed to like rotate around, right?
Make sure you wash it. Wipe it up.
And you wipe your arm off. There you go. Liam is so brave. He said he wanted to show you guys this. We asked him, we're like, do you want to show this? We don't have to. And he was like, yeah, let's do it.
All right, bro, you ready?
You want to
Yes.
see? You guys want to
Let's
see?
do this thing.
Yeah.
He's so brave.
I am not throwing away my shot.
Dude.
And it just kind of clicks right in there.
There you go.
Well
Nice.
done.
Yeah.
Be careful. Put the lid back on.
You're a boss, bro.
Where's the...
Oh,
You a
here
boss.
it is. There we go.
You the big boss.
Well done.
There
well
we go.
done. How do you feel? Strong? Powerful?
Dude, he's like growing already. I can see it.
An inch taller. But it's gonna help. It really is. You're
Yeah,
gonna be
I love
growing
that.
real quickly now.
It'll take some time, but you got it.
Say high five, brother. Good
Put
job.
these in the fridge so that it stays.
Aw.
Stays nice and cold. Okay, my turn. Where's my shot?
You're already growing.
Dude's growing like a weed, yeah. Say good job, brother. Oh, such a good pat. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and close it out here, and the kids wanted to watch our latest video on our channel, Cooking Out with Friends and all of that, because they actually haven't watched that one yet, and you know how much Linky loves to watch our channel. So we're gonna go ahead and close it out here. But we love you guys so much, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. You guys say bye.
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 Lily, it's your turn.
Say bye.
There it is.
For your name's sake, you will leave.